The new Jaguar all-wheel drive system is an intelligent, continuously variable system that distributes the torque between the front and the rear axle. So the vehicle will react instantaneously to responses, driver inputs, but of course inputs from the road and the levels of traction that it experiences both at the front and the rear axle.
The Jaguar is inherently a rear-wheel drive vehicle, and we've really tried to ensure that the all-wheel drive system delivers an exciting vehicle to drive whilst also providing that confident low-grip performance.
We're up in the far north of Sweden, just outside a town called Arjeplog. We have our own test centre here. The facilities up here were inspired by the need to test Land Rovers.
The calibration that we've done makes it more rear-wheel drive. That's what Jaguar customers love. That's the way we wanted it, and that's what we've achieved.
It is an intelligent system in the sense that it's continuously variable and is always responding to what the driver is trying to do with the car.
If you're performing a first gear pull away, then the vehicle doesn't know what surface it's on, so it looks at the throttle demand, it sees that there's an engine demanded torque, and it moves all-wheel drive torque to the front axle to prevent any wheel slip occurring. The 3-litre V6 supercharged engine is an all-new development specifically engineered to work with the all-wheel drive system, providing lots of low-end torque.
All-wheel drive really isn't just about the extremes of traction on heavily packed snow, but also about providing increased confidence on any surface.
The vehicle is moving from a lower grip surface, maybe a wet road, and then transitions onto a dry tarmac, onto a higher grip. Then the system will sense that, and as it's continuously variable, then it will start to move more torque to the rear axle to optimise that Jaguar driving performance.
The interesting scenarios are the ones where you get a difference in grip from one side of the car to the other, because one side of the car is on tarmac and one side is on snow.
The system is going to provide torque to the front and rear axles, and then the traction control system will control the torque between the left and the right hand wheels. As the vehicle accelerates around the corner, the traction control systems, in conjunction with slip control systems, will ensure we're delivering optimum tractive effort to the road. The outcome of that will be to provide a very confident connection to the road surface for the driver.
All of us are delighted how the car's turned out. It's got all the traction benefits you'd expect from an all-wheel drive car, but it's still fun to drive.
The Jaguar brand is all about performance and refinement, and that is all baked into all-wheel drive. We've managed to create an all-wheel drive that's perfect to drive in all scenarios.
The system is a massive step forward in terms of performance on low grip surfaces, and it's a real fun vehicle to drive.
We were very keen to not compromise in any way the Jaguar DNA, the ride and handling characteristics that one expects from their Jaguar cars today. The customer really won't notice when the all-wheel drive system is operating, other than of course being able to cross low traction surfaces.